Okay, the map says the park is just down here.
Yay, ice cream! Sweetheart, there you are. Come on.
The map says it's near the center fountain.
Look, Papa, over there. It's empty.
That looks like a good spot for the ice cream cart. Let's go.
Okay, I found it. It's just past the bakery stalls, right over here.
That looks like a great spot, dear. Look, right there by the fountain. Perfect spot.
Oh, that's wonderful. Let's hurry.
Oh, wow, they all look amazing. We'll take 2 scoops of the ginger swirl, please. Certainly, right away.
Oh dear, it's melting too fast. We have to do something.
Wait, I think I see a shaded spot on the map. Over there.
Thank you kindly.
We were worried that the heat had gotten to it.
Huh?
Ice cream.
Do you have Monkey CoCo's banana swirl? I'm really sorry, but they don't seem to have that specific flavor today. Maybe we should just pack it in.
It's all right, dear. We'll figure this out together. Look, the kitten has an idea.
He's adorable. I think he wants some ice cream.
So cute!
Try our delicious Monkey CoCo's Wild Berry Swirl. Here you are. Enjoy.
Absolutely delicious.
How much for the large bag?
That kitten is making the funniest sounds.
We've been waiting for ages.
Here you go, 1 scoop of the pistachio. And a little extra for the show.
Thank you so much. This looks amazing.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Last few scoops.